Hello Weaver, welcome back, my channel. Today we will tell you how to make a garment checking table, how to use it and why it is important. What is garment checking? What is checking in garment production process? How to do garments quality inspection? What is the size of a fabric cutting table? How is fabric checked? 86. Why is garment testing important? What is checking quality? What is garment checking? Garment quality inspection procedures are a preventative measure to spot defects and issues that compromise quality, which could ultimately be detrimental to the brand, and mitigate the risk of costly product recalls and customer complaints. What is checking in garment production process? Garment checking method is the method of testing all what is used in making the garment. Garment checking simply encompasses checking and testing the textile quality, the fabric, the yarn and the how to do garments quality inspection. To carry out the fitting test, a quality control inspector will place the checked garment onto a mannequin of appropriate size and perform a visual check. The garment should sit on the mannequin properly and look as per the reference pictures provided. What is the size of a fabric cutting table? Cutting table is the baseline of garment industry for volume cutting of fabric. In the garment industry, these cutting tables have baseboard also to be used for keeping the cuttings, etc. It is available in sizes of varying width sizes like 1,200 mm, 1,500 mm. How is fabric checked? Fabric inspection is a step of visual examination apart from the performance criteria. It finds various flaws and irregularities. Accordingly, it grades the fabrics as per quality level, fabric weight, shading color, number, and size of the defects. Why is garment testing important? Importance of textile testing. Quality control. Textile testing helps to ensure that products meet the desired quality standards. It allows manufacturers to identify any defects or issues early on in the production process, which can be corrected before the product. What is checking quality? A quality inspection involves measuring, examining, testing, or gauging various characteristics of a product, and comparing those results with specified requirements. To determine whether there is a conformity, quality control (QC) is critical to build and deliver products. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos.